Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to put a GIF in Behance. Alright, let's begin. First, log in to your Behance account. You can either open an existing project or create a new one by clicking the Create a Project button. This gives you flexibility to add GIFs anywhere in your portfolio. Once inside the project editor, add your GIF by clicking the Upload Files button or using drag and drop directly from your desktop. Behance supports standard GIF uploads, so you can position it exactly where you want in your layout. Consider how the animation complements your project and add captions or context if needed. This enhances storytelling and helps viewers understand your work. Before publishing, preview your project to ensure the GIF loops smoothly and displays properly on both desktop and mobile devices. Optimizing GIFs for quality and performance is important. Resizing or reducing frames can improve loading speed. When everything looks perfect, click Publish. Your GIF is now live and adds animation to your Behance project. So, that's basically how you can put a GIF in Behance. That's it for this video. Thanks.